I'm just on the side of the chin, because this means 1, 2, 3. Now look, you see, this is really the position I'm in. I'm pushing my forearm into the temple, into temporalis.
Come potete vedere è la stessa cosa che ho fatto prima, solo che adesso ho una presa diversa, mi bastano solo le 2 dita per direzionare il movimento.
And it's just giving me a little bit of additional help to get the technique. And back.
Slightly better. Slightly.
Touch. If I do the chin grip on the other side, flexion,
Flessione,
side bend, rotation.
side bending, rotation,
My body's loose, my arms are loose. There's no grip, there's
tutto
no
è
strength.
leggero, nessuno stress.
That's the position, that's the barrier, there we're off. From here we can take our time.
Da
I'm
lì
looking,
ti prendi
look,
tutto il tempo che vuoi,
foot is in the direction, I'm looking in the direction,
guarda la direzione,
in the position, nice and secure, on, and back.
ok?
I've got this movement. On the exhalation, follow the breath in, follow the breath out, and back. And that it's just this little flick. That's all it is, this little flick with the